Hi, in this video we are going to see the university's vacancies notification, and here the opportunities are there for the only PG candidates as well as for the PhD candidates also. And in this video I am going to show you the few universities as well as the private colleges also for the recruitment purpose. And for all these things there is no application fee and no written examination guys, and the selection will be directly based upon the interview itself. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of faculty job notifications in the government as well as the private organizations. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Content of the video. So in this video I'm going to show you the total recruitment from the three different colleges guys. So out of the three, the first one is Sri Sankara College, right, from Kerala. Here you may check down that applications are invited for the post of guest lecturers. So the Sri Sankara College invited the applications for the post of guest lecturers in commerce, Hindi, Sanskrit, chemistry, botany, statistics, mathematics, history as well as Malayalam. And application forms are available in the college website, and duly filled in application forms along with the biodata and relevant documents must be sent to the provide mail ID, that is info@ssc.edu.in on or before 2nd June 2021. Okay, so if you belongs to these subjects and if you are having only post graduation or else PG plus UGC NET or else PhD in these departments, then apply for this one guys if you are interested in this college. And if you click on this one, you will be directed to the application form. Okay, and you have to fill up the application form as well as your biodata and the relevant documents. You have to convert them, you have to send all these things to the provide mail ID on or before 2nd June 2020. And here the few more details are given in the their native language. Okay, so you may check down, and here the contact number is also there. Fine. So if you're having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact to this number guys, or else if you're having any queries, you may put your query to this provide mail ID also. Fine. And coming to the second college is Chandigarh University. So from this university, assistant or associate professor vacancies are there from the computer science and engineering, and they need the 4 to 9 years of experience, and the salary is not disclosed. But while coming to the qualification required is BTech, MTech as well as PhD in the computer science engineering. Patience, understanding and willingness in teaching, and fresher PhD can also apply. And the candidates has to teach the undergraduate as well as the graduate engineering course in the respective discipline. Okay, at computer science, fine. And if you are interested in this one, then click on here apply button, and then you will be directed to this one. Okay, so apply to job, and you have to apply this one with naukri.com. Or else you may enter your name, email ID, mobile number, current location and total experience, and attach your resume, and then click on the submit button. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. If you're interested in this one, then you may look on the link guys, okay, that I will provide in the description box. And apart from this one, if you want to get the few more vacancies in this university, click on the current openings, and then you will be directed to this openings guys. Assistant, just now we saw this one 2 days ago, and the professor or HOD interior design 7 days ago, professor or HOD and HOD in mathematics and agriculture, executive director in law, fine, and the team leader counseling 13 days ago, and deputy registrar, fine. So the few more job positions are also there. Okay, so you may check down. And coming to the next college is, so it is Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology from Delhi, IIID. Okay, so in this one you may check down, there are positions of teaching fellow mathematics as well as teaching fellow ECE department from this IIIT. And while coming to the teaching fellow in the mathematics, so 2 vacancies are there, and course faculty or the instructor required. And the job purpose, works as co-instructor for undergraduate courses, normally 2 per semester, involving the taking tutorials and labs, helping students managing and preparing, conducting grading exams and tests, etc. So the duties and responsibilities are given here: to teach in tutorials, managing the tutorials and other tutors or teaching assistants, and to manage the course related labs, and to conduct the extra class on the topics where students are facing difficulties, and to conduct the regular lectures when the instructor is on leave. So to assist the professor in making the learning materials, assignments and answer keys and rubric for grading. Okay, so these are all the things. And here the qualification required is MSc degree in maths or statistics with good academic record throughout. And compensation and terms: the term of appointment is 1 year and it can be renewed, guys. No extension will be given after 2 years. The compensation in the first year, 45,000 per month with free hostel accommodation, or else 50,000 per month without hostel accommodation. In the second year, 50,000 per month with free hostel accommodation and 55,000 rupees per month without hostel accommodation. And the institute gives a top priority on the ongoing academic activities and does not promote leave the offered position during an ongoing semester. Fine. And how to apply means, it is the link is there. You have to apply by clicking on this link and on or before June 5th, 2021. Okay, and I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video, guys. And coming to the next one, that is electronics and communication engineering teaching fellow, one post is there. So the same thing, the same responsibilities whatever we discussed in the previous thing. Okay, so conducting quizzes, mid-semester exams and final exams, to teach tutorials, manage tutorials, okay, to provide extra support to weak students, to assist a professor in final semester grading and the paper checking. And the qualifications: MTech degree from reputed institute or university in CSC or EC, should have strong programming skills like C or Python, etc., and good academic record throughout. Preference will be given to the candidates with TA teaching experience. And the desirable skills are also given here: PhD in relevant discipline and working knowledge of EDA tools like Vivado, etc., and experience in MATLAB. And compensation and terms, the same thing: 45,000 rupees for first year and 50,000 rupees for the second year. And the duration is maximum up to 2 years, and after the 2 years there will be no extension. Okay, and how to apply means, here the link is given. So click on this link and then start filling up the details, and you have to fill up the online application on or before 4th June 2021. Okay, so if you want to apply, then click on here. Okay, and then you will be directed to the online application or else a job application form, guys, and you have to fill up all these details. Fine. So totally these are the 3 colleges notification. So one is from IIIT regarding the maths and EC. So if with only post graduation you can apply. Okay, and amount nearly 50,000 you will get. Second one is Chandigarh University, assistant or professor vacancies from the computer science, and few more vacancies are there. But this one, the PhD is mandatory. And the next one is Sri Sankara College. So this one, if you are having the post graduation only, PG plus UGCNET or else the PhD, then try to apply for this one if you belongs to these departments and interested in this college. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, And from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge, okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes, okay. But before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.